Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you that how the accessible apps are not really accessible, or they are not going to make your website accessible and might get you sued. So first of all, as you can see, this is a Shopify store and we have this accessibility app installed, and we are going to use this WAVE Chrome extension to see if there is any issue on the website. And when we run that, as you can see, there is no error and no contrast error on this website. I'm going to refresh this page. Let's go to the bestseller and let's look at here. So there is zero error and zero contrast errors. But that's not the case. If we try to check this website on the webaim.org, and let's try that. Okay, so you see 13 contrast errors, and actually on the other way, when we're using this extension, it was showing the zero errors and zero contrast errors. Let's try another page and see what results we get. So we go on bestseller page. As I showed you, on that page there were zero errors, so let's try that over here. Let's see. So let's run the command. Okay, the page is loaded, and you can see it's the same collection page, bestseller, and you will see it's showing the 1 error and 5 contrast error. But again, if we come on this page and we run this Wave app, so that's the case. So basically these apps are hiding the errors, and they are not basically fixing the errors. So hiding is not going to help, because when the any blind people or any law firm come on your website and they check your website, they are going to see like how your website is performing. They are not going to see these apps, and that's where you get the problem. And the major thing is your website should be accessible, and the tab button is basically a button on your keyboard up above the cap lock button. So that tab button should be working, because mostly partially like blind person, or the blind person, when they use your website, they use the different software, like in where the different, like Windows software, they use the iOS accessible tools. So I'm going to show you that how we're going to test that website on a tab. So I'm going to go on home page. I'm going to use the tab key on the keyboard. So you can see first thing is okay, let's try that. Okay, so first thing is coming there, account wish list, and okay, it's working. Now what happened? Skip the whole part, skip the banner, skip all that text, and it just directly come to this banner. And now from these two banners, it skipped the bestseller and directly came over here. Now it skipped all these sections, skip all the pictures. It's just skipping going on this picture, but skip this text, and now it's just directly come to these pictures. Now in this box you will see directly watch our video, but it skipped this whole section. So that's the tab problem. And when somebody is coming on your website and they're going to see they are not going to see all the feature, then you get lawsuit, then you get sued, then you get problem. So we strongly recommend not to use these apps, because they are not going to help you. You should hire a developer and get your website accessible properly as per the guidance for WCAG. And once that fixed, then you're not gonna face any issue, and you will not need any kind of app. And tabs working should be checked twice for all the website, and see, you can personally test your website if it's functioning properly. As I showed you in this video, you can just follow these things and you can see if it's working or not. And you can use the voiceover command turned on in your Mac or in your iPhone, and you can even test that through voiceover as well. So hopefully that video will help you. If you have any question, if you need any help, you can visit our website ecombag.com, or you can email us at sales@ecombag.com for more information. Thank you.